SMD are market leaders in the design, manufacture and installation of metal decking systems. With over 35 years' experience and a passion for delivering the highest standard on every contract, we work alongside our clients towards a shared goal. This video will guide you through the smooth installation of the metal decking works and associated activities on site. Working collectively, this will minimize delays and clashes with other trades, resulting in delivering a contract safely and more cost-effectively. Prior to SMD's installation team arriving on site, key activities will need consideration, planning, and action. SMD materials are typically delivered to site on articulated lorries with a flatbed trailer. Depending on site logistics, lorry size options can be changed to suit access to delivery areas. Deliveries should be requested to arrive on site as the steel frame is being erected to allow for the effective distribution of our materials. Once our materials have arrived on site, the client will need to arrange for the materials to be loaded out and lifted to level in accordance with SMD drawings, showing the pack position and orientation. To minimize the risks of manual handling of materials and unnecessary working at height, it is important that the position and orientation of the packs are in line with SMD drawings to allow for safe installation of the materials. When packs are not positioned in line with SMD drawings, the client will need to reposition the materials accordingly. If required, it's the responsibility of the client for shear studs to be lifted to level and positioned as requested by SMD's site installation team. Due to manual handling and health and safety issues, shear studs cannot be carried to level by hand. Edge protection must be planned and fully installed in the relevant areas prior to SMD commencing on site. The handrail system must be designed and installed to the correct standards, and any potential clashes with our works have been considered. Maximum gaps must be reviewed from the top of steel and the finished floor height. Gaps vertically should not exceed 470 mm. The overall height of the handrails should be a minimum of 950 mm. The preferred methods of access to level are existing or new staircases, passenger hoists, or Harkey stairs. Ladder access is the least preferred method, due to increased health and safety issues. Should ladder access be the only option, tools and plant must be mechanically lifted to the level by the client. When shear studs are required, steel beam top flanges must be free from paint, grease, or other contaminants that could reduce the stud's performance. The ground conditions should be flat, have a hard surface, with minimal surface mud and standing water. The area must also be free of obstructions, including excavations, plant, or machinery. For the safety of our operatives and other site personnel, no other trades can work directly above or below our operations. Exclusion zones will be cordoned off below the netting, decking, and stud welding operations, and these must be adhered to. Ensure no other works are programmed at the time SMD are working in these areas. We will not allow other trades access to the decked floor until it has been 100% completed and handed over, due to the high risks involved. When an area of the structure that is due to be worked on is safe for work to be carried out, a steel handover sheet must be completed before SMD works can commence. When SMD's installation team arrive on site, key tasks need to be completed. Training certificates and qualification cards will need to be presented at site induction, and relevant site permits will need to be completed before work can start. When installing safety nets, we will need access to the space underneath the area to allow for the nets to be spread out for installation. MUPs may be required and should be considered to install safety netting, and suitable attachment points must be agreed. A level of waste will be created by our decking activities on site. Due to high health and safety risks of cuts and abrasions, manually removing waste via stairs is not acceptable. An area where waste will be collected should be agreed and removed using a pallet or skip. The removal of scrap from level is the responsibility of the client. SMD stud welding plants require positioning within 6 meters of the steel frame, as an earthing cable must be connected between the two. The area directly below the stud welding works must be cordoned off and free of flammable materials. The successful completion of a contract with SMD will ensure a safe, smooth running of metal decking activities on site and minimal additional costs. We want to help our clients save time and money by giving them the understanding of what we require to be available when we attend site. Ensure all the points raised in this video are reviewed and discussed with the SMD contract team. For more information and other tutorials, please visit our website and YouTube channel using the links below. Thanks for watching.